Talk Brian from Chaparral Motorsports here with Aki from D.I.d Chains. And today we're going to be talking about a little bit about chains themselves, importance of chains, kind of the different types of chains, and why you need to keep your chains properly lubed and maintained.
Right.
Aki, can you give us a little bit of a breakdown? What is a motorcycle chain? What are the components of it? And why do we need to keep them maintained?
So, of course, motorcycle chain is really important for us, even though if you have the very big engines and then very nice tires, but the power is transmitted by chain, right? So chain is very important part for the motorcycle.
So you put the best sticky
yes,
tires
exactly.
on your bike, you get the most horsepower out of your motor. This is the one thing that allows you to put that power to the ground.
Exactly right.
That's why.
Very important.
So when it comes to chains, you've got O-ring, you've got non-O-ring, you've got X-ring, you've got Y-ring, you've got all kinds of different components.
Right.
So basically, what's the anatomy of a chain in and of itself?
So, mainly there's two types of chain. One is non-O-ring chain, or O-ring or X-ring chain. And this one is X-ring, and then it's O-ring chain. So please try to move, really, and then it's O-ring chain. It's a very kind of stiff, right?
Right.
So the difference is the friction. So X-ring chain has less friction and then it lasts longer.
Okay. So basically on the X-ring chain, what you have is you have an O-ring, but it has ribs on it. So the ribs are much like a windshield wiper on your car, if you will.
Exactly right.
So you're going to have that contact. You're not going to have the water that's going to be able to get in there. So it's going to keep the chain protected from outside elements. It's going to allow the lubrication to stay inside the chain.
Exactly right.
But what's going to happen is because there's not that solid rubber O-ring that those plates are pressed up against, you're going to have less resistance or less friction.
Right, correct. And then, but some guys still looking for the non-O-ring chain, because that's,
So a non-O-ring chain is usually used in race scenarios, right?
Exactly, and especially for motocross racing, it's, lighter and then low friction, but, he don't care about, much longer distance,
Yeah, as far as longevity goes, they replace those things every race, every other race.
Exactly, correct. They're just looking for fast, not, price point or last longer, and just looking for riding fast,
Right.
So that's good for motocross racers,
Right.
Yes.
So what makes a D.I.d chain different than some of the other chains on the market?
So actually, we are supplying, lots of OEM product, and we are supporting lots of teams. So we have two types of data. One is coming from OEM side, and then the other is coming from racing team side, So we can combine such kind of lots of information, mix, and then create, the spread out to the market. Aftermarket side. That's our unique point, I think.
So if you were going to put a chain on your street bike, what would you put on it?
We recommend an X-ring chain.
Okay.
And we mean VX is our mainstream. It's this product is developed for originally MotoGP race.
Okay. Yeah.
The huge street racing bike, and then we use such kind of data and then create much more affordable for everyone in the market. That's our BX series.
Okay.
So that's the best chain for your bike, everyone's bike, I think.
Beautiful. Now, what's the difference between the chains that are all silver and the chains that are gold?
It's just color.
It's just color?
just color,
I know that some other chain manufacturers do it on different strengths or something like that.
So mainly for just color-wise.
Okay.
But unplated one is a little bit easy to get rust.
Oh, okay.
So the silver or gold is plated, so it's covered by plate. So it's really has the resistance to the rusting.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go. So if you want an anti-rust, go with the gold or the.
Yes, exactly. Right.
Anything else we need to know about D.I.d chains?
It's everybody already know D.I.d chain, I believe. So still we will launch new chains. The VO, it's O-ring chain. It's honestly, it's not racing spec, but it's affordable one,
Okay.
The market is changing, and still young guys coming.
Right.
So we decided O-ring chain, but the people is sometimes looking affordable, but of course you don't want cheap quality one, right?
Right.
So
You want an affordable product that is good quality.
Exactly, right.
That's what this new VO chain is.
Exactly, right. That's very important.
So that's new for 2019?
Yes, so we still have the 520 VO chain. We will launch 525 and 530 sets as well for 2019. So it's very nice for everyone,
Beautiful. Well, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
That's it. D.I.D. Chain 101. I'm Carl from Chaparral Motorsports. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, take care. Ride safe.